It starts with, like, imagine like an opening shot and this is it. Like, are you imagining?
Every single person watching will click away.
No one will click away because...
Now your turn.
Oh. Okay, let's watch this.
Think always make sure the lens cap.
I want to be filmed. I want to be filmed.
We're
I want to be filmed. Is it working?
I think.
Are you filming?
Yes. A little bit.
See? Do you understand? It's a camcorder. Why is everyone and their dog here?
Hi, Jeffrey. Oh, Jeffrey's. Colder. Colder. Colder, do something cool. Colder, do something cool. Oh my God. You're so cool.
Touch the butt! I touch both butts.
Oh, and that's when we're married.
The bears touch the butts. The bears touch the butts.
This is so crazy. Fucking Colder, I'm gonna body check your dumb ass. You moved out of the way last minute. Shut up.
Hi guys.
Ooh.
Can I make a public service announcement on film? So there was a little kid who fell in front of me, and then I actually had to go over him, and he went through my legs.
Damn.
And it was like he like fell in front, and I was like, okay. And then he just like kept skating on.
That's pretty fire.
And I'm not proud of what I did, but I had to do it.
That's crazy.
Don't film him. Film Tegan. Tegan's the main character.
No, I am.
I'm the main character. A kid like got one in front of me and he like hit me and I skated up through my legs. Oh, good job.
Alright.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're like his dad, Jeffrey. And I'm like the mom recording the dad. She's here.
We're married.
She's here.
Oh my
That's
God,
you.
I can see myself. Wait. And that's all, folks.
That's all.
Good luck, Charlie. Good luck, Charlie. When is it selfie? Stick on it.
I like that it's blurry.
Shut up.
Pull her.
I'm scared.
It's okay, like, it's okay.
This is the hanging tree.
I look glad I'm the tree.
You just have to like, no, you just like put it close to him.
There we go, that works.
Look, he's in.
Oh, let's blur it back. Let's make it blur. I'm not tall enough. I can't see you right. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2, 1. What a handsome young man. Hi, Owen. Look, he's skating. Woo! Hey, guys. Oh my God, I missed you.
Okay, Joanne. Okay, I think I zoomed. I missed it. How do I zoom out?
You just like go out the rarest species of all, and that is none other than the Calder Rondo. These guys are unpredictable. Okay, you catch one, you may never catch one. Oh, there he is.
It does surprise.
Rondo. Oh my God.
Rare sighting
These are the wild. You don't catch these much in the wild. It's a we should capture him. Oh my God. That's good. When he's in his enclosure, he's unpredictable. Okay, you don't know.
Yeah, he doesn't know. Damn, look at him go. Brett. Love Brett. Look at Grace, she looks lost.
It's a 1,000-mile stare.
It's little. Oh, you're old. That's so cute.
No! Did you hear that?
So when you did that, we made eye contact.
I just backed up slowly.
And it's good. Look, matching.
That's cute.
Like BFF, that's adorable.
Oh, watch it. Watch those funky legs. Okay, so I'm Carly. This is so. It was like so censored.
I love Spencer.
3, 2. Oh no. You see, somehow the world will change for me and be so wonderful. Says unless you take mine, it's time to see. Why did? Oh.
Are you recording?
No, I just decided to pull it out.
Okay, cool. Whoa.
Don't have to pull it out.
It's just whatever. You don't have to. Hey, why are we outside?
That's you.
So what happened?
That's me.
You guys could just. I'm gonna head out.
Shut up, stinky.
Well, we're gonna get.
Okay, that's definitely an end.
Guys, okay, little did you know, okay, little known like Calgary facts, like not a lot of people know this. That is actually where Michael Jackson dangled his baby.
That video is so funny.
That is the balcony where he did that.
And you know what building that is? That one's actually Lake of Jeffy.
Oh wait, feels like a
Party every day.
Whereas this is like when I gotta go. Woo.
When I gotta go. And that's where Jesus lives, because he's actually right there, and I see.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ Superstar.
That's literally him.
He's gone though. He hasn't been born yet.
He's been stolen.
You cannot ask him about it though because
He will start singing.
he'll start singing.
It's a problem.
And it's actually kind of embarrassing because I'm like, put away your Timothy Chalamet. Like, you know, like
It's
put
his
it
musical
away.
theater side. Let him have it.
Yeah, and while I do love him, it's like, I'll tell you a little secret about living in Calgary. No one will ever hit you. You just kind of gotta go.
We can go.
There you go. But like statistically, it's never happened before.
So then it would never
So
happen
then
again.
there's 0% chance of it happening. Oh my God, okay, Hugh Grant, if you're listening, I need you so bad. One thing about Hugh Grant.
One thing about Hugh Grant is he's gonna look good in a movie.
One thing about Colin Firth.
Is he's gonna look good in a movie.
Oh yeah, I didn't
I'm
see
gonna-
that first.
One thing about
What
that
about
whole
Rick
cast.
Grimes?
One thing about that whole.
Rick
One thing about that whole cast. They're gonna look good in the movie.
In that
It's-
film, I was like,
Uh huh.
I love Owen. Oh yeah, sorry. I love Owen.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm happy for I love Owen too.
I'll say loud and
We all
proud.
love Owen.
Loud and proud.
Loud and proud.
Okay, guys, let's take some pictures.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's take some.
You have to make sure you get a good shot of my butt. You have to make sure you get Love Actually though.
Okay, Grace is like,
I'm like, my butt and Love Actually. I don't care about anyone else. We did not get it. Wait, oh no. Wait.
If it was focused, there we go. Oh. It's slightly blurry. Could you imagine if it was focused?
it's blurry. I wanna brag about it. I wanna tell it. I wanna show you off. Something good. Yeah.
Isn't optical.
He's a little sparkly.
I'm out. I'm leaving. That's it.
Do I start it when you push start, or do I start at the end? Okay.
Wow. That's crazy.
That's how it should be.
That's cute.
Christmas socks. Christmas socks. I can't play those.
That was her first try ever.
It's easy being a girl.
She's cray cray.
Missed. Ooh, good job. That's pretty good. Red or green?
Green.
That's unfortunate.
I knew some of that would happen.
Just lifted it.
It was actually the first one that put a hole in it.
Really?
Okay.
Whoa.
It actually goes through the
Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Hi. You would want to be friends with Jeff.
Hey!
No, they're like in the best way. Like, it takes like 3 or 4 listens for me to love them because the riffs are so good.
You would want to be friends with a girl like me.
Okay, you don't cut it.
I just.
Ask him
to do his anime girl impressions.
The background.
You might see them live.
I wish you didn't.
Oh, let's do record.
Snoopy, Snoopy.
My cool. Is Bob ever here?
It's next. Guys, this is next.
That's actually the guy from Fortnite.
I am the guy from Fortnite.
Oh,
What is singing?
I was. Yeah, we see good.
Deary, I was born for loving you.
Yeah, that's the Canadian winter.
That's
Should be your
disgusting.
outro.
That's
Should that be
disgusting.
your outro?
That's awful.
That's gonna be the outro. I'm gonna be the intro and the outro.
Yeah, totally. My set double.